absence of doctor in sub-center affecting medical services at Mirabheti. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Jobon Kilingpi. And now let's hear the news in detail. Locals of Mirabheti area has alleged that the long absence of medical officer of the area sub-center has been causing serious effect on the entire population of the area and has deprived them of getting medical treatment and other service. Local organization of Karbi Anglong Territorial Social Security Association President Mohendro Kathar, along with his associate Matthew Togby and several of its members who visited the sub-center, told Karbi Anglong Live that the medical officer of Mirabheti sub-center, Dr. Priyanka Bordoloi, has been on leave since the past 6 to 7 months, due to which the entire medical service have got severely affected and deprived local population of medical care and attention.
Apprante CSO inu nang pilo. Lake ni kan ke thom do ke do la da. Lake masang siam po. A CSO men ke. Amal la masang siam dam de pen aku inut bang tulo lake Priyanka Bordoloi po. Ha murikang pen. Anke lake non ke child adopted poma suti ke en chiklojon trop. Amar la hopta belang kam nang eklem amar bang bedelo. Anke dake non mang thang a provision ave nili tumke doctor ave thang tave sita non nili tumake nang sot ke immunization a khetro nili tum sungpik adima vedalo mistri tum hem patangte si otekang bu bajoi ne dima bang khalia vedalo sita pini nang tum news slide tum ke bang nili tum choroi parpiglo nili tum kai ben daka chini ne ajoi nilo je ni slide tum bang rala sorry pon nili tum pidun te ka son te pulo la pen nili tum office ta arju hor bomlo mane ko dasila ki jonai dam nai ma polam ke nili tum charju hor bomlo sita anuda fan charju eta ni tum chini dun de ko matong repairing ke banu ne polam do ko.
The organization demanded the concerned department to explain the reason and guidelines of granting her leave for such a long period, as people of the area are facing huge problems due to lack of medical service in the sub-center. The organization further asked to who will be held accountable if any untoward medical condition arises due to absence of doctors and medical services at the center. The organization has demanded the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the immediate intervention on one of the most serious problems the people of the area are facing due to the continuous absence of doctor at the posted center. In addition to this, the organization urged upon the KAC to issue immediate order to the doctor to report and perform her duty to avoid the situation from turning bad to worse.
Sub-center lo magani tu kita kono teng prote, nada ahem da kita angkiri tu kita kono lo, anco tak kali lang nada asal ni tu kita kono teng prote ni tu mungkin sampai buka lo, tapi nono mana patient tu yang setami nada dua thaya we, nada ahem kita angkiri kono jo bahai home hortar semen road tapi nason ping biti kono pot kasih sakdo, tapi doktor sampai regularly duty cilang we, nasi lo sampai pot ni tu, nasemen tu angke cunilikan tu, apake doctor yang saya ambil pulut sekilang bang oleh. Lalu ada sub-center patient dokter mili mithang matan di sini, atau Panjan, Mirabheti, Hilhiri inter dak sekilang. Anco tak bilang bangsa sub-center long non. Presiden apa yang hema ini tentang tepin, hemi kita ada biko, setelah hemi lagi kecilang pun kami bangsa kami, ini tu pasar organisasi kita pasini pun lo. Lalu ke mohet ini danger. Anang kita dak si actually including kan truck lo, alang ada cukidar hisap pen dupon lo, bon sitame alang ni pasame song pen thang na tawar sepi pun pila, alang ni pasame la nurse tumsi ninggang sampen tu, seklo yang paru truck ling si siru pun bo, munda ada kira ni dopik, ada solar ada do, lapan nason hormon ada dopik, selana aku kita gi pipi na por, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council education EM, nanti hai, alang ni pantai cungi pun lo.
The organization also informed Karbi Anglong Live that Mirabheti is the home village of local MAC Pobitro Rongpi. Further, the nurses at the center also appeal upon the concerned department for early completion of buildings, stating they require immediate quarters for them in order to be able to provide better services to the local people of the area.
Live in the positive, live in the 6 months. Rangso live in 6 months tame enrit budi tu puke. Setame alang li tun ke alang li ke pen chok le lo je usu tu pangreng ta jok si live ke bulan te dan rat laan ani si hajar mendak si nang cela ladak jong si doctor ave liputak te nurse atum te okor biji pidun chok la pendowai mu piphinun thok la pon vai kara bon thai se ge langi ke min ke doctor se nai la solam sini tum katsa organization hen pen ke ban ke la helo ladak hem kipi pusi puja extension hem ekta dojo la bangso hem ki mi non 1 year stay ala bas kami patan ke cement do la pen tumur do la pen ko jo ting do rod do la hai anta muthate non ke cement ka do ta insang lam patient na dak bi thai da lo wang chi da patient da me bahira hala chatai lang si la na ka ko la sila ana ka sik sak do la da la si nilitum katsa organization hen ke chuluri pon ke la helo jel immediately pen ladak doctor nang do nang po doctor nang do de lipute ladak hilhiri meraviti sub center along ke kisso gachi lang ya dima vidyalo la pen doctor se aveli pote rong sor ka siksa jilo phero so kisum inginso membe apose nitole bang so din lo nam horun nang ko lo to ladak ke la vi sub lang din lo la pen ladak jo no din to phelo lo condition ko son na hang ka ave anar sa tom bang ka chipiduk so gali ko na doctor ave posi heng hang lang si plan delo a hela talong ki bang tin ko ta sini to chune widon bagi tu dun ahin maga labang so department ala tum medical ahin na kame department ko kame na rap non la pen kali likun de rata to asisung also sesi photo po taksi chila din ta la pen bed lang amlo na जो ला है अबे ता मुखान ता जो ला कुछ सी बिला लो डॉक्टर का बे एंके ला है रिम है बिया है लो ना सकम काम ले तो मैं क्लेम है डॉक्टर फैन आरजी मो गया ला जोने ला पेन दवाई ता लदा नांगले ले आरजी दिन पी लो दवाई इमुता नांगले ला की मे दवाई नांगले ले ला से एक्सपायरी डेट दवाई सी बारो इलो ला सी एक्सपायरी डेट ता दवाई सी एदि तुम किसो दे बाबा टीचर पते कपि लो एक्शन दे मा रिएक्शन दवाई ये माने कांग ओता है बाबा माने थीलो ता है पसु इमीडिएटली पेन नि तुम हिन दाके चुनरी के ला है लादा डॉक्टर बा नंग दवाई नंग को ला पेन एक्सटेंशन हेम ला बासो हेम ता नंग पतंग वेग नंग को ला सिरी तुम कक्षा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हिन दाके चुनरी के ला है
The caretaker of the sub-center also expressed pain, stating monthly honorarium is too low and does not help in meeting the needs as prices of all essential commodities are skyrocketing on a daily basis.
Kita me thang ta vela baido dom se di aning kan sa bena piponic bomb pia
salari mera dharma hai
la si ang songa pene arleng thi tum ta me ni khan kan hon ka jin so pen mo mane government pe deng kon ikte kuya si jonobi do
nolimen ga bunan din
andilising
arpile bangso hospital long nang disi kai kita kako karphe
kirim gibi iglo
lasi nana manang ni jasembe la amsong achari si am damang sunang chunuri ni
dunlo
la amsong lam thi pondra alang ni phan pene government den deng pon
deng ko ikha posi chunuri
Sanjit Cruz report from Chokihola for Karbi Anglong Live. In a fresh action against timber mafias, the Dokmuka Forest Range personnel had on Wednesday night seized a vehicle carrying illegal timber. Here is a report. The timber along with the Tata mobile truck was seized during a routine patrol conducted by the forest personnel. Even though they captured the truck, the drivers and other persons inside the vehicle ran away. The vehicle was carrying around 40 CFT timbers, all of the valuable teak trees. Forest personnel are still trying to identify the owner of the vehicle. They are still unable to figure out from where the truck was originated and these timbers were supposed to deliver. The forest personnel have expressed the immense concerns over the rise of timber smuggling in the district.
Tumla night patrolling duty kuribo mahur lapu dokmuka lapu dongkar nuk area nat patrolling kuribom homoy tata mobile bang si niltum theglong lo to theglong pen masap so suspect pen pasang nin phanbor ilo to gari bang esang lo stami driver tum niltum manang theglong lok pen phi sob kar lablo bhaini to unun de lo तो नॉन अगारी चाबीटा दोचे रमान नीरे तुम सब अथेंग पीपेन अगारी सब वन लाभ लो दक्सी लासो पड़बाई नीले तुम नॉन सी रिटारली बॉम्ब लांग कोमा थेंग पीमा लाहे कोमा सिकेवान मा कचोकले मा लाहे बांके लासो अप्रोक्सीमेट 40 CFT बागदुई अथेंग पी सब सिगुन साइडे
konde ni mina pensi ban
la hondek me bange nili tum bangta chini ne dalo athe dong karnu gna sinili tum adhar sta si chetong lo to so moi non si ritar li bom lang ko mama kona ben si kewan ma lahai bangke la si nil tu mo nang bachi ni thu po la bangke
Samsing Tea from Dokmoka for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.